The head of Amazon, Andy Jassy, allowed the sale of NFT on the platform of the corporation in the future. Amazon does not intend to integrate cryptocurrencies as a payment mechanism on its platform, but may sell NFTs in the future. This was stated by the head of the corporation, Andy Jassy, in an interview with CNBC. Continue to watch if you want to learn more. Before we go into detail, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content. And if you want to continue getting this value for free, help us win the YouTube algorithm. You know what to do. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books, and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today. Amazon CEO Andy Jassy told CNBC on Thursday he doesn't own any Bitcoin or non-fungible tokens, but that he's optimistic about the future of cryptocurrencies and NFTs. "I don't have Bitcoin myself," Jassy told CNBC's Andrew Ross Sorkin in a Squawk Box interview. He also said it might be possible to sell non-fungible tokens, NFTs, on its e-commerce platform, and expects NFTs to continue to grow significantly. "We're not probably close to adding crypto as a payment mechanism in our retail business, but I do believe over time that you'll see crypto become bigger," added Jassy, who was interviewed after he released his first annual shareholder letter since taking over the helm from Amazon founder Jeff Bezos. Amazon has previously signaled an interest in cryptocurrency. Last year, it was looking to add a digital currency and blockchain expert to its payments team to help develop Amazon's strategy and product roadmap around the technologies. If you want to know more about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, DeFi, decentralized finance, crypto trading, and the metaverse, then the links below will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. NFTs, a type of digital asset that exists on a blockchain, have exploded in popularity in 2021. With NFT artwork selling for millions of dollars. A growing number of companies have started to accept virtual currencies for payment, bringing an asset class shunned by major financial institutions until a few years ago closer to the mainstream. Last year, eBay Incorporated allowed the sale of NFTs for digital collectibles like trading cards, images, or video clips on its platform, the first e-commerce company to tap into the frenzy around NFTs. eBay had also said it was open to the possibility of accepting cryptocurrency as a form of payment in the future. Before we go, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content like this video you just watched. And if you got some sort of value from this video, please smash the like button, smash subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you always get alerted when we publish value-driven content like this before anyone else does. And together we win. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books, and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects, which will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today.